Hi ladies, welcome back to Comfy Boost. In this video I'm gonna show you how to curl your long hair without heat. So let's get started. First option to curl your hair is with regular braids. Just split your wet hair in sections, braid them and leave them for several hours or overnight. The size of your curls will depend on how big or small sections you take. With this look, you will need to pay extra attention on your hair roots to give them volume, because the actual curl starts lower. Here you can see how it looked during the application, right after I loosened my braids, then 5 hours later and the next day. Second option is similar to the first one, but in my opinion better, because with French braids you can start braiding your hair at the top part of your head. Therefore, curl starts higher and give your roots needed volume. For longer lasting and more visible results, again braid your hair while they are wet and leave overnight. As you can see in the pictures, also this way of curling, your hair is long lasting. In the next variation you get small and full volume curls that look a bit like 80s inspired. You need to make a lot of small horns like Shrek ears. For this look you divide your wet hair in small sections, twist them and secure with the hair bands. For better results, you have to twist your hair very tight, therefore it's very difficult to hold this for the night. Personally, I recommend to prepare for this look in the morning, leave your hair twisted for the whole day and loosen up in the evening. Another thing that I want to mention is that with this look, the end of my hair got really dry. It was because they were twisted and tightened with the hair bands. But after washing and applying the hair mask, all went back to normal. As you can see, these curls are also long-lasting, but they will stretch a bit during the day. This next look gives you more careless and day in the beach look. For this look you can use either special hairband accessory, or if you do not have anything like that at home, take a sock to which you cut off the front. Then wrap your wet hair around and secure. For better results, I recommend to wrap your hair tight and place the band on the top part of your head. This will not only help you to have more comfy sleeping position, but also your curls will start higher, giving your hair extra volume. Next idea of curling hair might sound silly, but it actually works very well. It's curling your hair again with the socks, but this time wrapping your wet hair around them like this. At the beginning this may look similar to the regular braids, but the socks in between makes your curls bigger and overall look more glam. Just remember to add volume to your hair roots for a complete look. And last but not least, another glam look you can achieve wrapping your hair around the belt of your dressing gown or any other thick fabric belt. This option gives you nice and full curls. Result-wise, it's very similar to the previous one, But I have to say that this is better because you can curl your hair closer to the roots, but it's worse because it's very difficult to leave the preparation phase overnight, unless you always sleep on your back. So in summary, all these curling ways work for long hair and the results stay overnight if good and strong hair products are used. Some of them are good to leave overnight, but some preparation phases should be better than during the day.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below for more lifestyle and beauty tips and tricks. And write in the comment section below which was your favorite way of curling long length hair. So see you soon. Bye!